הופ הופ. יוב! אתה בסדר? רגע, אתה מתחת לאופנוע? אתה לא מתחת לאופנוע, נכון? טוב.
So what's my DR doing outside the Sherco and the Yehu agency? Oh, this is mine. This is an upgrade to the family. This is my son's Yuval new two-stroke Sherco. Wow, it's head to head. Let's see what's going on.
יאללה, שבת שלום, תודה. ביי, נתראה. Ooh, with it in my mirror. Well, as you already know, it's a new Sherco 250 FE. Well, this has enough power to beat me. It's going to overtake me. What a joy! Wow, yes, it's a left here. And it's all the way straight up to the main road. It's a black trail up to Khorshan, and I put Yuval in the lead because he's much more powerful, and it's going to be this uphill now. So I leave him handling it, I hope properly. How was he last week? Wow, it's full of bugs. I need to close my visor because I get them in my helmet. I've already lost him in the dust, and you can see he was losing grip. It's very, very powerful. Yeah, I know exactly where. Opa! Me as well, almost. So it's a right, and then you have to take a left one. I took it last time here. Yeah, he eats it without any hesitation. Wow. And I can feel it in my arms, it's burning. Oof. Nice one. שומע? רגע. איך היה? איך היה? Well, once again I'm riding this single trail here. I was here last week with Tom and Avi. I'm taking Yuval on the same one as well. Let's hope I'll manage doing it better this time. Standing up and trying not to crash. The same tree, palm tree, and it's not so alone here this time. הופ. יוב! רגע, אוי שיט. אתה בסדר? רגע, אתה מתחת לאופנוע? אתה לא מתחת לאופנוע, נכון? בסדר. טוב. קיבלת מכה?
לא, אני בסדר.
למה אתה מחזיק את היד?
בסדר.
אוקיי. טוב, סבבי. מה, החליקת? תתפוס את הכידון. אוי, מה זה? זה נורא קל. זה דלק, אל תתרגש, זה מהקרבורטור. חכה שנייה. רגע.
מה יש?
כלום.
תן לי... מים. רגע.
Wow. First crash for today. I'll move a bit, let Yuval pass, and let him lead the way. Wow, that's exactly the difference between a two-stroke. Is much more power. He was too close to me, and you know what? I need to let it go. He's much more faster than me, by any means. Woo! Now his coil has two sets of power. He's a rock jumper. I bruised his hand a little bit and his finger is sore, but opa, the same spot like last week. I'm giving my best. Ooh. This is a that's a nice one. Woo! I didn't even finish editing last week's video, so this is the second edition, as I say. I thought second time it would be faster, but it's not this. I'm already sweaty all up. I hope he enjoys himself. Well, woo! That's a nice one. Right, he's eating the trail like nothing. Ooh. Oh, again with my side panniers. Woo! אתה רוצה להעלות את העלייה עם הסלעים? העלייה שלקחתי אותך ביום הראשון עם ה-CRF. יאללה, תפנה אחורה, תמשיך ישר, תגיע אליה. בוא. So it's going to be turning back to the rocky uphill. The one I took him on his first day with his CRF. Well, I guess it's going to be much easier for him. Let's see how it's going to be for me this time. Almost. Woo! And he's up the obstacle. מה, תוביל אתה? Wow. Second try. I keep my distance because it does kick off some stones. He told me he was so fast he couldn't even, you know, steer right. It's very powerful. It's funny, we did the same course with the CRF, I think what it's 2 months ago, and now it's Sherco and me. Woo! Wow, this changed for the bad here. Ooh, didn't remember it was so rocky here. It's funny when you do it downhill, it looks much easier. I almost dropped my bike. I begged him to wait up for me at the end of the uphill. Woo! Okay, done. I need to peel off a layer because I'm warm. Funny, huh? Funny that you're waiting up for me, Yuval. Thank you very much. How are you today? Ooh, what a sound. Wow. We continue browsing around. Just wait a second for Yuval. Woo! That's flat. Wow, we'll take a right turn here and go through the woods up to the motocross area. Oh, nice woods. Well, it's a bit muddy here because of the rain. It used to be very dusty here. Well, when it's not dusty, it can be slippery, so that's a trade-off. Let's see if he stops. We have a rule at the junction if you're not sure. Okay, so this is outwards back to May Kedem into the main road. Oh, woo! You know what? The two-stroke engine smells like a lawnmower. I used to own one. בוא, אני אקח אותך לדרך יפה, בוא. Stones and rocks and dust and whatever. Well, let's see. I need to keep my distance from him because this can be dangerous. He was really throwing the big stones at me. I'll chat with him about it. Well, now I know where I am. That's a nice one here. Yes, so I was right. We overshot the turn. Should be a left turn coming up ahead. Well, he overshoot me and I'm signaling him. Wow. Maneuver my bike. Hoppa. Oh, woo! Was an almost. Ah, I hate these almosts. Yes, that's the correct way now. And once again he will overshoot the turn and I keep my distance from him. And we should have taken... So he will go uphill and come back to me here. Well, this is our final destination for today's short Sherco versus DR650. Well, number one is the Sherco. Well, it depends what you're looking for. So this nice spot here, it's almost Friday afternoon, the weekend, Mediterranean Sea there, everything is good. So stay safe, enjoy yourself. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and see you on our next adventure, riding off-road. Bye.